All right, shooter. Do you understand the course of fire?
I do.
All right, stand by.
Safety on. Safety off.
Good hit.
Safety on.
Good hits.
Up. Safety on.
Good hits.
Safety on.
All right.
What's my with that? Make change.
Woo! Well done. 9841. Show me clear. Yep, I see clear. Slide forward, hammer down. 9841. All right, stand by. Yep, we're gonna come back this way. Nice work, Tony. Good hits. All right, get to the hula hoop. Smoking.
High groups, holy crap.
He's good. Barrel it. Nice work. Yep, right here. One more hit on that. Nice work. Dropping hard primer. Yep. To the red. 5. Nice work. Shooter is finished. Unload, show clear. I see clear. Slide forward, hammer down. Holster up. 94-95.
Woo! All right, is shooter ready?
Yep.
Stand by.
Here?
Yep. 3 position. Nice. 59.50. All right, I see clear. Hammer down. All right, we're good.
All right, shooter, do you understand the course of fire?
I think so, but I might need your help along the way.
Yeah, I got you. All right, stand by. Clear.
To your right.
Yep, to the right. There you go. Move and shoot. Close. Yep. Shooter, if finished. Unload, show clear.
Good shooting,
well
buddy.
Well done, dude. Well done. Slide forward, hammer down. 7-2-15. Shooter, are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by. Clear.
Clear.
Woo! Cruising.
Ah, shit. No, no. Man.
David, you did really well. I think you beat me on.
All right. Should I understand the course of fire?
Yes.
All right. Should I ready?
Uh-huh.
Stand by. Yeah. All right, if you're finished, unload, show clear. Good run, buddy.
Sucked.
I see clear, hammer down, holster. Time 6095. 50 on.
All right, shooter. Are you ready?
Ready?
Stand by. Hit. Hit.
Action. Oh, shit.
Oh, that's the whole bolt.
That's all part of the race.
Yep, you got it. Don't drive it home. Put your
Okay.
safety on.
Safety zone.
All right.
No, okay.
That was awesome.
That's crazy, man. Safety off. Action open.
Yep.
I'm gonna reload. I'm running out of breath already.
That's just the bottom one.
Okay. Action open. Whew. I only got 3 shots in there.
Yep, let's go.
Action open.
The other way. Yep, you're good. Your muzzle's up. You're good.
Whew.
All right. One on the little steel. High. Nice. 6 rounds. Start walk. Do you need to walk? Yep. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right.
Okay.
It finished. Unload.
I wasn't sure where I was.
Where'd that round go? All right, icy clear? Yep, okay. Slide forward, hammer down. Good job. 175.15.
Right, shooter ready?
Yeah.
Stand by.
Right.
Low.
Hit.
Hit.
He's fucking. Oh no, that's the. Yeah.
Hit.
I thought he was hitting low too.
I know. I was
Yeah.
like,
Yeah.
nice, Tony.
White and yellow. Hit. Hit.
I don't see yellow.
On the left. Hit. Hit. Safety on. Right. Yellow only. Hit. Hit. To the tree on the right.
Yellow?
Yep, just a yellow. Double tap. Hit. Hit. All right, be careful. Hit. 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 Hit.
dumping it?
Yep. You can dump it or you can sling it. Safety on.
Yellow?
The small one. Hit the small one first and then move. Hit. Now you can shoot 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're good. Unload and show clear. I see clear. Hammer down and holster. 153.80. Good run, buddy. Okay, just to let you guys know, Scott damaged his hip so he can't run. So he's gonna jog. But we've seen him run before, so we know this is not an excuse. Thank God Scott is not running. Last time I ran with him, I had a hell of a time.
It's going super fast, yeah.
Alright, shooter ready?
Yep.
Stand by. Hit. 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 Just a lower. Hit. Hit. No, 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 up there, up there. Oh, sorry, sorry, sorry. I'm sorry. What am I saying? Lower target. Hit, hit. Oh, nice. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice. If you're finished, unload, show clear. Whew. I see clear. Hammer down and holster. Time 1:19:56.